This is TCARP again. We're out here in our favorite little place, and you know, this is where we made our little campfire last time. And we're going to try to start a fire, make a little bit of hot chocolate, and we'll see how that works. I went out to a little grassy area and got some a little bit better tinder this time, a little bit of punk wood. I'm going to start looking around the area, grabbing a few things, and just seeing what we can do, seeing if I can get this little fire started and make us up some hot chocolate. It's about 20 degrees today, so we'll see what we can do. Stay with it. Knife and the knife we're carrying today, kind of testing out, is the Old Hickory butcher knife, 1095 steel, brass pins, and I think this knife is $12. So we're testing this bad boy out and seeing what we think of it. I don't know if we're even going to even use it today, but we might fiddle with it, whittle on down. Who knows? A really good reason to carry a shamog is honestly to have something to wipe stuff down with. I got this water out of the lake, and as you can still see a little bit of residue, a little like sand residue. So it's just nice to have this. Set it. I'm trying to make a little bird's nest. All this stuff. Set like a piece of punk wood in there. See if it'll work. If not, hey, that's fine. We're just gonna try and see. And honestly, we're not playing with anything special today. We're just gonna get a lighter. See if we can get this bad boy started. I do have some nice fire, but we'll see what's going on with it. Pour good little, and this is Pathfinder stuff, so we're going to throw a lot of it in this cup again, and then we're going to try to get this puppy to a boil. It took us about 30 minutes, but we finally got her boiling. That's what we want. We're going to let her boil for a good little bit. Alright, I want to talk about what we did right and what we did wrong. What we did right today was we got some tall grass and started and used that as a real kind of a tinder bundle. What we did wrong today is we didn't get enough small sticks to kind of keep that fire going once we got the stuff in there. Since it's so cold, a lot of this stuff is burning real quick and then it's dropping to the ground. So, it's boiling now, but it took about a good 30 minutes to try to get it hot enough to boil a good little amount. So, just be aware of that. Remember that when you're going to do this. So now it's finally cooling off. I'm gonna kind of pull this off the fire, set it aside, and then I'm going to start making, and we'll make a little hot chocolate here in just a second. Cool off for just a second. And it doesn't take long. It takes like a minute for the rest of this stuff. That's the cool thing about stainless steel, is it doesn't take this thing long for all this stuff to cool off, and that's really good. It transfers heat really well, but then it also cools off really well. So I mean, heck, these handles are almost good enough for me to grasp. See if I can't get me up a pack of old old-fashioned Swiss Miss. See if I can't get this started up. That's good. And then, to give it that woodsy flavor, take a stick and just that's some good hot chocolate finally. Well, this is TCARP signing out. Y'all have a good one.